You're staring at textbook formulas, rereading the same page, but your grades aren't budging. To actually dominate exams, you need active recall math, not just staring at notes. Rereading is an illusion of competence. Your brain feels comfortable, but the moment you face a blank test paper, you freeze. Why does this happen? Look closely at this brain scan. Rote memorization barely activates it, but when you switch methods, everything lights up. Let's break down the active recall technique for math. Passive studying is like watching someone else lift weights. You won't build muscle by watching. In math, passive review limits your problem-solving skills. To truly understand equations, you must struggle. You have to pull the information out of your brain, not just push it in. This builds strong neural pathways. Are you ready to stop wasting hours of study time? The most powerful tool for active recall mathematics is something called the Feynman technique. Let's explore it. Named after a Nobel Prize-winning physicist, this method forces you to teach the concept to a beginner. It immediately exposes your hidden knowledge gaps. Here's the first step. Take a blank piece of paper. Write the name of the math concept at the top. Close your textbook completely. Now write down everything you know about the formula. Use the blank sheet method. If you get stuck, that is exactly where your learning begins. When you hit a wall, don't panic. Go back to the source material, review just that specific part, and then close the book again. This friction is good. It means you are reducing the cognitive load for next time by organizing the information properly in your working memory. Stop highlighting your textbook. Highlighting is fake progress. True active recall math requires generating the steps from scratch, proving you actually understand the logic behind it. Step 3 of the Feynman technique: simplify. If your explanation sounds confusing or uses too much jargon, your comprehension isn't deep enough yet. Try to explain a complex derivative or algebraic function as if you were talking to a 12-year-old. Use simple analogies and clear, step-by-step logic. Think about it. If you can't explain the theorem simply, do you really understand it? Simplifying forces you to grasp the core mechanics of the math. Let's compare this to passive review. Passive review is reading a solved problem and nodding along. You think, yeah, I get that, but you don't. When you use the active recall technique for math, you are the one doing the heavy lifting. You are solving without the safety net of the answer key. Combine this with spaced repetition. Test yourself on these concepts over increasing intervals of time. This guarantees the formulas lock into your long-term memory permanently. It will feel harder at first, it will take more mental energy, but the time you save by not having to restudy the night before the exam is massive. You'll walk into your next test with unbreakable confidence because you've already proven to yourself that you can generate the answers under pressure. Why settle for average grades when you can hack your learning process? The difference between a C and an A is simply how you interact with the material. Ditch the highlighters and embrace the struggle. What specific topic will you use active recall math on today? Let me know in the comments below.